Avalanche value equivalent to 91.99 rands a coin. The present cost range 140.78.45. The earlier day close 150.53. The change was 58.54.509%. Opposite rate ZAR to Avax. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1948 rands. Exorbitant cost 24 at 18, while low cost 1948. They found the middle value of cost 21.44. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2260, change for July 16%. Avalanche gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 2260 rands. Exorbitant cost 2806, while low cost 2260. They found the middle value of cost 24.87. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 26 to 22, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at 2622 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.255, while low cost 2060.22. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2885. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 3D42, change for September 16%. Avalanche conjecture for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 3D42 rands. Excessive cost 3D42, while low cost 2060.24. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2080.83. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2822, change for October 72%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 28.22 rands. Excessive cost 3068, while low cost 2666. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2856. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 2867, change for November 16%. Avalanche figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 2867 rands. Excessive cost 2868, while low cost 24.92. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2727. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 2680, change for December 5%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 2680 rands. Excessive cost 2680, while low cost 2188. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 24.75. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2353, change for January 2%. Avalanche conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 2353 rands. Excessive cost 2353, while low cost 1948. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2087. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 2095, change for February 11%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 2095 rands. Exorbitant cost 2225, while low cost 1933. They found the middle value of cost 2083. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2079, change for spring 8%. Avalanche estimate for April 2025. To start with, cost at 2079 rands. Exorbitant cost 2241, while low cost 1947. They found the middle value of cost 2090. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 2094, change for April's 7%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 2094 rands. Excessive cost 2094, while low cost 1,779. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1970. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end 1913's, change for May 6%. Avalanche figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 1913 rands. Excessive cost 23 at 74, while low cost 1913. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 21.5. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 22.19's, change for June 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 22.19 rands. Excessive cost 24.13, while low cost 20.97. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 22.46. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 22.55, change for July 6%. Avalanche conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 2255 rands. Exorbitant cost 24.51, while low cost 2131. They found the middle value of cost 2282. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 291, change for August 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 291 rands. Exorbitant cost 2776, while low cost 2291. They found the middle value of cost 2488. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 25 at a 94, change for September 13.2%. Avalanche conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 25 to 94 rands. Exorbitant cost 2647, while low cost 2301. They found the middle value of cost 2504. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 24874, change for October 4.6%. Avalanche cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 2474 rands. Exorbitant cost 2690, while low cost 2338. They found the middle value of cost 2504. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 2514's change for November 16%. Avalanche estimate for December 2025. To start with cost at 2514 rands. Exorbitant cost 3020, while low cost 2514. They found the middle value of cost 2766. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 29 and 16, change for December 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 29 and 16 rands. Exorbitant cost 3070, while low cost 2756. They found the middle value of cost 29 at 51. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 29 at 63, change for January 16%. Avalanche estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 29 at 63 rands. Exorbitant cost 3 on 221, while low cost 2799. They found the middle value of cost 29 at 98. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 3010, change for February 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 3 on 10 rands. Exorbitant cost 3D2 at 72, while low cost 2844. They found the middle value of cost 3D46. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 3-day 58, change for spring 16%. Avalanche gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 3058 rands. Exorbitant cost 3D3 at 98, while low cost 29 at 54. They found the middle value of cost 3 at 47. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end 3 at 76, change for April 39%. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2026. At the outset cost at 376 rands. Excessive cost 3D942, while low cost 3 at 76. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3E4 at 95. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end 3 684, change for May 16.